Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Reginae Carter surprising our mom with a gift to show how proud she is of him. But we proud of you, Reginae, because you see Reginae's show. Let's get into it really quick without getting copyrighted.
You can put your bags right here in this room. This is gonna be your room. Your mama tell me you can't stay out of trouble. I'm gonna tell you now, we're not gonna have that down here.
Okay, baby sis. Yes, ma'am. I like it. Y'all make sure y'all check that out. Yes.
You could still walk into a store and ask for a job.
Yeah, well, apparently you can't. I told you.
Doing something to find my home. Yeah, so, I just want... So, I ordered Armon a PC because his other one, something happened to it. So I ordered him a PC. And tell me why I couldn't try to get it delivered to my house. And the lady was... Sorry, let me get it right. I tried to get it delivered to my house. And the lady was lost and couldn't find my home. So she returned my item. Yeah, so I think that I'm going to just go to Best Buy and actually get it and stop being lazy. But he knows nothing about this. So, we're going to see. Hopefully they have them in stock in the stores. Well, I just got them from the store and they said I could have picked it up. So, yeah, I was just being lazy. But I'm about to get me some food. And I think I'm going to get up and, get outside today. My man ain't home, so I've been inside. I've been just chilling. My schedule is kind of chill right now. My schedule is going to start back going up in November. Speaking of November, I have a movie called Boxed In. Really knocking hoes out. Make sure...
Yay, y'all support her movie. Yay, I'm definitely watching it, y'all. Definitely.
Make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all tune in. Not stay tuned, but stay tuned too. Make sure y'all tune in November 1st on Peacock. I'm going to put the trailer in this video too. At the end or the beginning or whatever. Just maybe right now. I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, I just really had a great time filming it. I really hope you guys enjoy it. It was my first real life lead role. Yeah, I worked with some real dope people on the movie. The cast was dope. Clifton Powell, Ernestine Johnson, Lil Zane, Sean Freeman. It was a whole bunch of people. I want to shout out to the director. I hope y'all enjoy it. I was acting. I was like... I gotta be there so bad. No. But real. I really hope y'all enjoy it. And yeah. The birthday girl is here.
Happy birthday, Toya.
You enjoyed your birthday, mommy?
Oh, I had a blast in my past. OVO, October's very own. It's taking over every October, anniversary, birthday, Halloween. It's lit.
It's good.
Ain't no put it like a toy, y'all. Put it just a toy, y'all. Put it on style.
Say hey, Rainy.
Hey, Rainy. See, I wish you Toya. She's talking about Drake.
Oh, yeah.
Not all year. All month. Your October been lit. She's a lace.
It's been a lit your way.
Yeah, I just got my nails done. Mimi got me right. Okay. There you go. I got you a juicy cut. Juice, honest kids. Little kid.
You drank that?
So much fun, y'all. I can't wait till she get older. She have her own show or her own channel.
Hey, y'all, I'm about to start getting ready. Because I got to go pick up our mom from the airport.
Bye, boo-boo.
Thank you, Mimi.
Bye-bye, Nate. Thank you.
Bye.
How you close?
Say bye.
I don't think they close up.
Did y'all hear that? My man coming back?
man to come back. Okay, girl. Got the nails. Got your hair. All right.
It's still going to pick up your man, look. Hey, my neighbor and naysayers. Good morning. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing good. So, yesterday, I did pick up Armon from the airport. Wait, I did pick you up. I did pick him up. I was late. Of course, I was late. But I was there. Honey, you look very bad. This is ridiculous.
She look very what?
Bad. Her hair needs to be done. Psych, you look beautiful. I gotta build my baby up. But yesterday we were just spending some quality time because we missed each other so much. So today we're going to head to the house and like I told y'all, so we're heading there right now and
Don't y'all tell nobody.
yeah, I'll be back when we get in the car. Babe,
Yes, baby.
we miss
Hey, Armon. We did miss you. Hey, bruh.
you.
I miss you.
Me and my neighbor. Me and my neighbor and my naysayers.
I missed y'all so much more, man. You feel what I'm saying? I am posting.
Yes, y'all. Guess what?
What the-
He about to drop that song, y'all.
Oh,
His new single. I'm like somebody
right,
mama.
exactly.
Now his new single is about to drop, y'all.
yeah, y'all.
Hold it
together-
down.
Together, yeah.
He been holding shit down
Hold it down.
like a
Give me the
motherfucker. Yes, you have. Okay, but babe,
Hmm?
I got you something.
I know I'm getting showered with gifts right now. Like, I got the gift in here. I got it like, okay, let's go.
I know it is my birthday.
A whole
Yeah, it's my
year from
birthday
now.
month.
It's like,
No.
babe, October is not your
Y'all,
birthday.
my birthday
month.
November 29th.
She's just
Don't forget
spoiled,
about
yo.
it. Okay, let me get your gift. Look like that filter on TikTok where it's like blurry at first.
Oh, yeah, the one that's...
Okay, I'm gonna go get the,
I can go in with you, babe.
You coming?
I'll go in, come on.
All right, we coming in. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Wait, but listen, though. Let me know if I got the right one.
Oh, no. Stop it. No. Oh.
Did I get it? Wait, did I get the right one, though?
Mm-hmm. That is the right one.
Period.
Oh, no. Yo, how do you do it, bruh?
Oh, that's so sweet.
What? Hold on, wait. Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah, y'all, he been talking about this PC.
Oh, and she got that one, babe.
I got the
Why
good
you
one.
do that? God, somebody answer. Oh no, why am I calling? I gotta put my brother.
Y'all, we got the PC,
No,
motherfucker.
she just.
So now,
Wow.
I know y'all probably like, not you giving him the torch to play the game all day. And then,
Bro, look at this. Look at what my girl just bought me, bro.
wait, honey, we gotta show her.
Let me.
Honey, look at
Look
her.
at this, bro. Look. Bro.
You know when he like when he gotta show his friends.
Bro, she just bought me the PC. What? Bro, she's only if she knew.
When you did what you had to do, and you made your man smile, ooh. Make your man smile all 2022 and 23. Right, honey?
That part. All right, girl. Yes, let him know, girl.
We gonna find you a man. Not right now, though, because you be having that period, and if anybody impregnate that one, yeah, best believe you gonna be in her life. You gonna be in hers, or it's gonna be some of this. It's like, she is not getting pregnant. She is a queen, a baby queen, huh? Baby princess. So I'm not having you babies. I know they're gonna be beautiful and they're gonna cost a lot of money. Hold up. We think about money here though, honey. It's all about the money, honey. If the world was in, if the world, if the world, if the world was in, would you cry or would you come and get me?
Yeah.
So y'all changed a little bit. We about to go get something to eat.
We're finna go eat.
We're finna go.
Gangling.
You're so fine.
Thank you, baby. Give me good. Yeah. What we eat?
Keep the lips gloss. Gotta stay moist. We finally made it to eat. Ooh, this is the part. But damn, you fun.
See, you should be able to look at your man and say that on a regular basis.
The way you touch me. Like a kiss back. I said we could do it.
Y'all, this
Really
is
scared.
my baby got me a single. My baby got me a single release gift, y'all. Right. My baby got me a single release gift. That's because you be kissing me every time you know.
Yeah.
You make the hairs on the back of my extend up. So now, man.
Why you play so?
So now, y'all, but my baby surprised me. Yo, listen though. I want y'all to know this. This is not the little. That's not the little one. That's an expensive one.
Well,
Baby,
duh, you're gonna get. It's because you gotta go look at it.
Crazy.
Yeah, duh. We only do that. But now
Talk your shit, babe. Thank you. So much. Give me
Aw, that's so sweet. He loves it and he loves you and she loves him. All this love, y'all. Yes.
Okay, so y'all, I love you more. So listen, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can see every time I drop that. Also, I have one more thing to say. Tomorrow, because tomorrow me and Armon is going to New Orleans for Louisiana Fest. Make sure y'all, if y'all are in New Orleans, make sure y'all go to my daddy festival because it's gonna be lit. But yeah.
So cute together. I can't wait to see them in New Orleans. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Know Squad. Watch Reginae's movie. Can't wait to see it, girl. Proud of you, sis. Take care, y'all.